Blue and I are just starting off on an adventure. We're planning to fly to Braidwood today. I'm just to the east of Bungendore, going over the recycling area at 400 feet. I will climb up. I needed to be this low because there was a fog blanket over the airfield, but now it's open so I can climb higher. I will just give you a bit of a view of the world from here. Currently at 500 feet, pointing east towards down the King's Highway, turning around north, Lake George. You will see that fog over the showground. Back to Bungendore, and now back to my route. How are you going now, Blue?
I'm in the air and I have good blue on you.
I will be over the King's Highway in about a minute.
Copy that, I can see you.
Thank you. Communication is important.
So good to have it.
Blue and I took off from Bungendore this morning to fly to Braidwood. Probably made it to 10 or 15k from Braidwood, just over the Shoalhaven River. My engine started to overheat. I ended up circling a possible landing to see what happened. Tempted to clear the carby, but it ended up dying. Ended up doing a good landing in a paddock reasonably close to a road. Landed, told Blue that I was okay. He circled over me to make sure that I was fine. I then cleaned my carburetor. There was some debris in the initial fuel filter. Cleaned that out, reassembled, tested idle, full power, also tested, ended up finding a potential place to take off, cleared a couple of rocks, did a couple of taxi tests, to see if I could build up enough speed. I estimated I could. Ended up contacting Blue to tell him that I was going to attempt to take off, and then took off, circled my safe landing, or not, circled my paddock for 5 minutes, checking my engine. It's running. Was running hotter than expected. but ended up getting it. Getting enough confidence to set off, headed back towards Bungendore over near the highway. Building up confidence with my engine, so then started to fly a bit further away from the highway. Oh, this is particularly rough. I do not like this at all. Oh. I can see Bungendore now easily, so it may even be possible that Lou is trying to contact me, but I do not have...
Your current altitude is near 3,400 feet, about 1,500 feet above ground.
I do not have enough hands to contact him. Okay, this is smoothing off now, so I will try to contact him. About 55 kilometres an hour to 40 kilometres an hour, so just going through a different pattern here. Punching into a slight westerly. Bungendore area, power paraglider 3992. Turning base runway 30, Bungendore. I'll do a long taxi and land well away from the rotor.
Your current altitude is near 2,100 feet, about 400 feet above ground.
Power paraglider 3992, turning base runway 30, Bungendore.
If you enjoyed this video or it's useful, please click the round subscribe button, click the notification bell and leave a comment. Fly safe, have fun.